Hey, I wanted to introduce you to the Keter Urban Bloomer box that I picked up not too long ago for Amazon. I just wanted to share some reasons why I like mine and I would recommend to you if you're considering picking up a planter's box to start with this. It has a small footprint, so it's perfect for small patios or apartments or something like that. And especially if you want to get into growing on your own veggies, your own herbs or something like that for your smoothies, or if you want to just, get more into growing your own food, which I highly recommend. Some of the things I also like about it has a built-in water gauge to let you know how much water it needs and if it needs water. It has a drainage tap at the bottom. It has like a wood feel and finish to it. The color I have is dark gray or anthracite, depending on where you pick it up from. And it's kind of sturdy, super easy to put together. Holds about 22 and a half gallons of soil or so. And again, it's attractive. It's great just to get into gardening, and I like it that it does have the self-watering system. So in case you forget to water it, you can just check the indicator. It's very intuitive. I got mine off Amazon. I think Wayfair also has it as well. So just check around in case they're sold out. I liked it so much I bought two. When I went to go buy the second one, it was sold out, but then it came back in stock, and I think it sold out again. So I'll definitely check around. Right here I'm just showing some reviews off of Amazon. Seems like everyone else likes it as well. So I don't think you would be disappointed to get something like this. Again, if you find this video helpful, please subscribe. Please share and please like, and also comment if you also have the Keter planter box as well, and share your experience. After this, I'm going to show you a quick unboxing, an assembly, and then I'll show you some video and images of how I'm using it on my back patio. Again, take care, stay healthy, and be safe. Said the water, once the water, so what happens is the water rests down inside of these channels. This sits on top of here, so the water is going to be underneath this. Your soil, your plants will be on top of this. The soil will wick up the water into the soil. This will look and indicate if the water raises up too much, then you know it's full. And then once the water level goes back down, that goes back inside. So this is just going to sit in here like that. So then when the water comes up, it'll be something like this. Cool. Hey, so I just want to emphasize that the type of soil used for elevated garden beds are like potted soil, or you can make your own mixture, but it has to be very fluffy, very loose. You can't use garden soil when you're putting soil in elevated beds.